Hello and welcome to HP Calcs. I'm Rick, and today we're going to have a look at how to do exponents on the Google calculator. So first things first, to get to the calculator, in the search bar we just type in calculator. It'll usually pop up there for us. Select it, and we get to this screen here. This is the Google calculator, and we can use this to solve pretty much any exponent we need to. So to do this, we're going to use this button here, this x to the y. So if we wanted to solve any of these problems, we would just enter it in as such. 5, now let's do 5 squared first, or 5 to the power of 2. 5, then this x to the y button here, and we get that next little box there. And our exponent is 2, so we just hit 2 there and press equals. And we see this gives us an answer of 25, which is correct. We can also cube a number. So if we want to do 5 to the power of 3, again we press 5, x to the y 3 equals, and we see we get 125, which is correct. And this will work for any exponent. We can also do negative exponents with this. Say we wanted to find 5 to the power of negative 2. Well, we would do this just like we did before. We press 5, x to the y, and then for our negative we just hit the minus sign here, and then the 2. Here you see we have 5 to the power of negative 2, and then we press equals, and we see we get a result of 0.04, which is correct. Now if we don't want to use our mouse to type things in here, we can also use the search bar. So to do this, if we wanted to find 5 to the power of 2, or 5 squared, we type in 5, and then we use the up arrow or caret key. Looks like that, and then enter our exponent. This right here indicates an exponent. So, and then we can press search, and we see it automatically solves this. This will work with any exponent. So there we go, 5 to the power of 3. Search, 125, and we can also do the negatives. So 5 to the power of negative 2, search that, and we see we get 0.04, which we know is correct. So we can see it's pretty quick and easy to use the Google calculator to solve pretty much any exponent. Alright, I hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.